Alright, man.
What was that they were feeding?
I think that's snakes. Hand in hand.
Follow you. It's okay, we just touch the back. Okay, we don't touch the tail.
Why you touch the green? In green, you gonna like touch your hot kettle like that.
Working out again. That's
Yep. But I mean, the car couldn't have come in. That's the problem. Basically, yeah.
Yeah, you look fine.
Okay.
I get to sit. Mickey.
Mickey, can you look here, Mickey?
Mickey. Mickey, smile. Smile.
Yay! It's great. Yay! Okay, cool. Yeah.
Should we have the same kind of helmet?
Don't move! Hey, quit moving. Why? Ooh, doing patterns.